Remember, say, to each his own. So the only thing I could do is encourage her and just say, you know what, I'm here.
People, welcome back to the channel. This is Birdbeat, and today we have a lot of topics to discuss. But before we get into that, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment. It helps the channel out hugely, and it literally costs you nothing. With that being said, let's get into the video. Hope you enjoy. Now, here's a clip going viral. Time went around and did a street interview on Lisa Hype, and here's the people's thoughts on the matter. Please take a look at this.
Remember Lisa Hype, one ungrateful girl, you know.
Mr. Cartel, Mr. Vibes, do something for her.
Who want to deal with Dexter that if Dexter that fuck you and breed you and you kill the youth? You and Dexter that deal with that one out yet.
Right now, Lisa, I'm mad.
The cocky when she used to get to see all white girl, I get the cocky now and all kind of blood clotting. Then them thing them pressure them must
stop. Say the girl mad.
I just want her to just take it easy. You know, not worry about certain things because she's a really good artist though.
Hot topic. Artist topic.
People, I would encourage you to watch the full video. Go over on Time's channel and show them some support as well. In this next clip, Moncherie bigs up Lisa Hypes and warns Sided. Take a look at this.
Big up Lisa, I know you're going through it right now. I feel you because it's not that easy dealing with somebody like Cartel.
Fresh drop.
Especially when you're dealing with him for a long time and a young age. And to them, don't worry my girl, your turn coming too. Trust me. Good luck.
Viewers and subscribers, I want you all to share your thoughts on that in the comment section below. Now let's get on to the next clip. The Angel says this about Lisa Hyper.
Persons in my DM saying, oh, Angel, you know, speak on the Lisa Hyper situation. Pretty much everything you come say about, because at the end of the day, she is going through her pain. She's going through her emotions. And I have to give her that level of respect and space. I reached out to her, I spoke to her. I just gave her some knowledge and wisdom of how to overcome adversaries. Remember, say, to each his own. So the only thing I could do is encourage her and just say, you know what, I'm here. And it's somebody that I've always stand with. You may not see it, we're standing together, but yeah. I even see her at the airport some time ago, about a year ago or so. And I was there for her, you know. For someone like me who have been through hell and back and still here and managed to smile. Someone that has been ridiculed, lied on, jeered, criticized, put down to the lowest point, and I've risen. You understand? Not everybody's strong like me, but I can't tell nobody how to go through their emotions, because nobody don't know no one else's pain. Nobody don't know Lisa's pain. She has to go through that, you know, and for somebody that has been there, done that, and still getting stronger every day, I just have to impart on her to stay strong, which I already did, and just express yourself through your music, your God-given talent. That's what I did. And that's how I became stronger and just continue to believe in the Most High. Yeah, that's what I did. And every day I remind myself that that's the only way to overcome anything, no matter what. You overcome it by just using your God-given talent to push yourself and just thrive on that. Doesn't matter what anyone think or say about you. God knows. You understand? And you know your pain. So whatever you're passionate about or whatever you're good at, put yourself in that and just, you excel. You understand what I say? Lisa, you'll overcome and you'll be great. And to everybody else that's going through a similar fate, you'll overcome.
Please do share your thoughts on that in the comment section below. Now, for this next clip, we see Lisa Hype cousin allegedly coming out and speaking on the matter. Take a listen for yourself.
Gaza mama, you have no official say Gaza mama. Come on, bro. Them think they have a liquor chip which you done trouble with it already. You understand? Just like you know, you over there on somebody and you there on somebody and run up and down for years for me a little girl and Now, so you want to run, me just explain. So you don't want to run there and somebody so much years and now, no, you don't must want. You understand what I mean? You don't must want to leave the camp. I just one of them things that when somebody loyal to somebody, it even hard. Worse, him there on her from she a child, bro. It hard. So I just one of them things there, brother. I just see her fit. I notice anytime she go around them people, me here you say, them for reach out to her. We don't want nobody reach out to her. Me and the family and we are family, we don't want to tell her nobody reach out to her. Them for just leave her alone. Cause when time she not go around them, she alright. Notice another first she take her. Every time she go around these people and
People, please tell me what you think about that down in the comment section, bro. Now on to the next clip. Negus Imara says Lisa Hype threatens Shorty, and this is what he had to say about it.
Me hear Lisa Hype say she will send man go run a Christian pen for go burn down Shorty house. As a Portmore youth, me know that that's something she wouldn't even want to try. Christian pen and a somewhere you want to ramp with mama. Everybody will come from the Christian pen, Watson Grove, Hamilton Garden, Gregory Park area know these things. Me see she walk up to man and tell him say how she will burn him in his face with her cigarette. Me see she a bad up taxi man in her own car, but how she will lick him in his face with all her phone and them something there. Boy, I'm kinda glad she get arrested because maybe one day soon she would have approached somebody who will actually do something to her. Everybody now gonna tolerate them level of disrespect, no matter who you are or what you're going through. Thank God for the people them who never turn her over on her head and step in her face, because some of the same people them who did up on her life a laugh, them would have end up turning around and cry. Maybe now that she's arrested, she will get the necessary help needed, because God know, as bad as she a going on the internet, me no want nothing to reach her with severe. At this point, all we can do is just hope for the best, because she was going down a path of self-destruction. Boy, may God bless Lisa Hype.
I am in complete agreement with Negus Imara on this issue. Please let me know what you think down in the comment section below. With that being said though, people, please stay tuned for the next update, because I hit that for now. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment and share the video. It helps us out a lot and it literally costs you nothing. Also, if you can, please support us on Patreon, link in the description. That's it for now. Birdnation, stay sharp.